Hi everybody, it's Brad here again from T.CON, and today we're going to take a look at our interface to our MES system. So there's one important aspect we haven't pointed out yet. Our MES system was designed to run in every web-enabled device. So it will run currently, for example, here in Chrome. However, one aspect that is very difficult or often a downside of running in a browser is that you don't get automatic updates on machine information. But using SAP technology, through push notifications, are able to simulate and automatically provide that information to the operator. And today we're going to simulate that. We have a tool to simulate that for development purposes, but also for demos. My colleague Alex is here off screen, and he's going to be simulating the machine setup codes, or the machine codes provided by the machine. So we're going to look at a couple scenarios. The first one we're going to take a look at is if the machine has a downtime and provides the error code which is registered in the system. So here you can see we have a downtime here in the top, as well as the code behind it on why there was a downtime. Now let's say, okay, that there's a mechanical break, the operator's gone and repaired it, and now they start up the machine, and then the machine automatically records production time. And there we go. Now production has started, and we can continue going from there. Now let's say there is a different scenario where the machine registers that there's a defect, but it's not able to provide a reason code behind it. So you can see there was a downtime. The machine status changed up here above. But you can see in our intelligent menu bar that it's become red, and there's an additional step. We need to classify the time. So this is where the operator needs to go in, provide comments, as well as the reason behind it. Let's say there was an electrical fault. We can save that reason code behind the downtime. Now that's been recorded as an electrical fault. And then here in this case, for example, we can either have the machine automatically restart production and provide that code, or in this case, I can do it manually. So it's showing the tight integration, as well as the fact that a web-enabled service can provide automatic and up-to-date information to the user as production is going on. So that was one integration aspect that we are happy to show you today. And in future videos, we'll show you additional information about our MES. Thank you.